here, Riverview Hotel. There's a river right behind us, and then there's a little string of restaurants and kind of cool looking architecture, and this little complex as well. So we're gonna keep on walking around Krabi while I have a chance to walk it. And yeah, it seems like a pretty small, compact. That's cool. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. That's cool. Yin-yang. Pretty small, compact place. Some pretty cool looking architecture and some nice artwork and paintings that I've seen so far as well. Okay. So I think this is a marketplace. So we're gonna walk into this space as well. And you can see they have a lot of, it smells good. Fresh fruit, wow. Yeah, this is a nice little town. Dang. I can see myself staying right here and just taking the bus to different beaches, going by those limestone cliffs and such. It's really nice. Let's just keep on walking here. So there's the city night market. So that would be lively at night, and looks like they have a lot of fresh fruit. Halal food, okay. No beef in there for sure. Yeah, I think this town is definitely worth coming back to, spending some time someday. This town looks really nice. Tasty. And limestone cliffs. It's coming straight for it. So yeah, you get a little taste of Krabi here today. And these really cool stoplights too. Yeah, look at that. Maharaj. Yep. Looks like I'm gonna have to come back to this town again. Explore more of it. I guess all these are for rent, I guess, or for sale, secondhand for sale, so you can buy it and then you can use it while you're here. Currency exchange, so they really target towards the foreign market. Taxis to Krabi. Looks tasty. So we're going to be concluding here in a minute. Bird cages. There's another one up here too. Let me scare him though. Mirage Road. Let's see here. Keep on walking. See, the river is right there, and then some limestone is over that way, so the town is relatively narrow. And it does kind of spread out in some places, but the town itself, it's I don't know, pretty cool little space. I like it better than I didn't know what to expect, so it's really pleasant. And again, there's some more cool stuff down this way again. It's kind of a continual stream of cool stuff everywhere. So I think we could be walking towards the waterfront, and there's like some little tiny booths. But I hope you get a good sense of it, and so we'll conclude with this video as well.